Hi, welcome to CAP, Quantum Academy for Physics. So therefore coming to the limitations of Bohr's theory, the limitations of Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom. Okay, first one is Bohr didn't explain about the spectral series of remaining atoms except hydrogen atom. Okay, why? Because of the electrostatic interaction is not only in between negative charge and a positive charge, negative charge and a positive charge, that is a proton. Okay, the electrostatic interaction is not only in between electron and proton, it is also because of electron and electron. Okay, therefore he didn't explain about the spectral series of remaining atoms. Okay, write the definition. First limitation, Bohr's model is applicable to hydrogen atom only. It cannot be extended even to mere two electron atoms such as helium. You just write the definition. I can't write here because of the size of my board. My board is too small. I can't write the definitions. I will just dictate it. You just copy in your notes. And coming to the second limitation. Okay. So the limitation involves only the electric force between positive and negative charges, not between electrons. And coming to the second limitation, it cannot explain the variation of intensities. Of different spectral lengths. The variation of intensities of different spectral lines. So what happening here? Bohr didn't explain about the variation of the intensities of different spectral lengths. That is, the intensities of different spectral series. That is, if you take the Lyman and Balmer series, the intensities varies here. Here the intensity increase or decrease. As wavelength decreases, the intensity decreases. So he didn't explain about this variation of the intensities for different spectral lines. What is the reason behind it? He didn't explain. Okay, and coming to the next one, third one, Bohr's model only explains about hydrogen atom. And coming to the third one, Bohr's theory could not explain or could not answer why only certain orbits are permitted. Okay, Bohr failed to explain why only certain orbits are permitted, like Balmer series, Lyman series, only for N1, Balmer N2. Okay, and next Lyman Balmer Paschen bracket form. Why only those spectral series belongs to certain orbits? He failed to explain. And coming to the next one, he could not explain. Why electron remaining in an orbit in an electric field does not radiating any energy. So he didn't explain, or he failed to explain, why an electron remaining in an orbit does not radiating any energy. That means the electron transition is not taking place. Okay, the electron remains in one orbit only, and this electron revolves around this nucleus continuously. Okay, this electron without transmitting to higher energy or lower energy. This electron is not transmitting to higher energy level or lower energy level. Okay, it is remaining in the same orbit and revolving around the nucleus. Okay, and it won't radiate any energy whenever the electron transmission is not taking place. Okay, but it revolves around the nucleus in the same orbit. This electron won't emits any radiation. This electron is not radiating any energy. Why it is not radiating any energy? He failed to explain this. Okay, this is electron is not radiating energy. Why? What is the reason behind it? Okay, Bose failed to explain the reason behind it. Okay, these are about the limitations of Bose theory of hydrogen atom. Okay, I will end our lecture here itself, and we will meet in our next class. Okay, bye.